What's up, YouTube? Josh, the Five Life. You probably noticed that I haven't made a video in 4 or 5 days, a week, a week tops. You know what? I don't want to just make a video about nothing. You know what I mean? Here we go, another day, a daytime vlog about myself that like probably boring people. You know what I mean? I want to make a video when something exciting going on. You know what I mean? So it's snowing out. Um, I'll show you guys the snow that I have proof that it is snowing. It is cold. It just have a snow squall, like blowing snow, cold. You know what I mean? You name it, it's out there. Slush. You know what I mean? Ice. Uh, I don't like winter, man. I don't like winter. Winter is not my thing. I'm like a California kind of guy, so I cannot wait for nice weather to come. And then my mood will, be more happier. Like I don't like this weather at all. It's just drive me insane. This weather does change people's mood. It does. It does. Okay. So I'll show you the. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, I just don't want to make a video about absolutely nothing. Well, I can't wait for nice weather so I can go out there, to go on different trails here and there, different trails, cemeteries. I'm still doing my 3 a.m. challenge in the cemetery. That video will exist soon. Just keep in touch, and that video will come, and I will capture something. I will capture something. Trust me, I will. Honestly, I'm not giving up on that night until I capture something. And you will see me how savage I am. Like it'll be insane video. It'll be insane. It'll be epic. To everyone that you know, subscribe down below, like this video, and you know what? It's gonna be all plain savage on this channel. If you know anyone, or if you wanna come and join in a video with me, you know what I mean? You're welcome to be in my videos with me, but make sure that you want to be seen in the videos with me. You know what I mean? And if you have another YouTuber, if you have a YouTube account or Twitter, Instagram or whatever, I'll shout you out in my videos if you want that. Let me know down below, and I'll do that. You know what I mean? I'll do that. That'd be awesome. And that being said, I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Oh my god. Oh my god. It looks so bad in real life. Oh my god. It looks so bad in real life. You can't imagine. Let's see. It actually looks worse in real life than it is on video. It's crazy, man. Like, did it say this weather sucks? Like, it's snowing, snow squalls, windy. Like, come on. It must be a Sunday. I don't like this weather. Come on, spring. This weather, man. I don't get. It's a Sunday. I see my landlord is here. What? It's a Sunday. What do they want to work on a Sunday? Hmm? Do you know? Hmm. Why do they want to work on a Sunday? I don't get that. Maybe the new law have to make them to work on a Sunday. Yeah. Woo. I'm not. Yeah. Like, why are they changing the law? Like, really, why are they changing the law? They took away the sick days. Hello. Then, if you took away the sick days, you're not allowed to take a sick day. How's that? Like, people get sick, and then if they do get sick, they'll get fired. Are you kidding me? Man. Awesome, man. 2019, but it's just gonna get worse from here. The best way is that fight back. I would. I'm savage. I will fight back. You know, people will get sick. I had vertigo. I had vertigo. Uh, in last summer. In last summer, I had that sickness, and I had so much sick days, and I lost my job at the factory, but I have a new job now. I'm not telling you well. I don't want to, you know what I mean? Personal reasons. Um, and the new law came out, and Doug Ford or someone like took away sick days. Come on, man. People will get sick. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm gonna end this video before I get insanely insane. You know what I'm saying? So please join the J fam, subscribe down below. Tell your friends, tell their friends, and tell their friends about me. And I want my YouTube channel name to go over the world, and then it'll be fantastic, and it'll be sweet. You know what I mean? It'll be sweet. There'll be more savage videos coming my way, but always stay tuned for that. Don't forget to click on the bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. Trust me, you don't want to. I'm doing savage cemetery videos. I'm doing really sweet, awesome trail videos, different trails. I heard that has some abandoned stuff on those trails too, so that's awesome. And then doing my abandoned houses. If I find an abandoned school or abandoned factory, I'm going in and I'm going to explore, and then I'm going to upload it, and then I'll show you guys that how savage I am, and it'll be sweet. So anyways, I just want to let you guys know those videos are still coming my way. At this moment, there's nothing I can do about it because the weather is insanely insane. So anyways, you know, and it's another daytime vlog, you know what I mean? Why is it getting so close to my face? I don't know why. Again, I have to shave. I just shaved. I did shave my head. Is that cool? You know what I mean? Is that cool? No. Like that. No. No. Like this. Like that? No. Like this. Like this. Like this. Go Raptors. Leaves is a different story. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe down below. Actually, Jace needs so much support this spring. Go Jays. And you know that I am local. That's all I'm just saying. That's all I'm saying. If you know where I live, which town I'm in, let me know down below. That'd be awesome if you guys know. Go. So anyways, subscribe down below, like this video, and you know, all of those videos are coming my way. I have to wait till nice weather, you know what I mean? For me at least, you know what I mean? Like, so anyways, if you drive out there, be safe, and watch my videos. And stay strong, stay savage, and please join the JFam. And I see you guys in the next one. Peace.